Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to redeem your PayPal gift card to buy some stuff or you want to do shopping or whatever you want to buy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to know how you can do it. So as you can see, like this is the first method. Just go to rewardable.com, like rewardable.com. You can just go to Google and write this down, rewardable.com, and you will see this website. Let it load. And once you see this website, you can just click on redeem voucher. As you can see, like they have been trusted by the trust pilot as well, and they have many positive reviews. So you can try them and enter your email address, enter the code that is available on your gift card. If you click on redeem now, and after that you will be able to redeem. And let's say that you do not trust this or you do not want to try through this method, so what you can do is just go direct to any shop or any store or like any other online store that you want to buy anything from. Once selected your item, you can just choose the payment method as your PayPal and add that gift card into that section. And after that, you will be able to redeem your gift card and cut through the payment. And if you're looking for any direct way that PayPal, like you want some money into your account through that gift card, you won't be able to do it as PayPal does not support that. Those gift cards are only accepted during the payments. Either it is online shopping or you are going out and doing some shopping. So you can try both these, either it is online or offline. And those gift cards can only be used during the payments. So that is all about how you can redeem your PayPal gift card.